What if I told you there's a common cash flow mistake that could land a business owner in federal prison? It's not some elaborate fraud scheme. For many, the financial ruin of the TFRP is the end of the road. But for some, it gets even worse. The IRS has a criminal investigation division, and they take payroll tax fraud very seriously. A willful failure to collect and pay over taxes isn't just a civil issue, it's a felony under Internal Revenue Code 7202. When does the IRS decide to pursue criminal charges? It's often reserved for the most egregious cases. Factors include the amount of tax owed, how long the fraud continued, and whether there were efforts to actively hide it. If a business owner like John repeatedly ignores warnings, lies to the IRS, or uses the funds for a lavish lifestyle, a criminal referral becomes much more likely. The Department of Justice regularly prosecutes these cases, and the headlines, which are based on real prosecutions, are chilling. A Dallas area business owner was sentenced to more than 8 years in prison for failing to pay employment taxes, using the money for personal expenses like luxury goods and a $10,000 monthly rent. The CEO of a New Hampshire company got 2.5 years in prison for willfully failing to pay over $14 million in payroll taxes. A California CEO received a year in prison for a decade-long scheme where he underreported wages while using the money to fund a lifestyle that included a $3 million home and luxury cars. In Kansas, a business owner was sentenced to a year and a day for not remitting hundreds of thousands in withheld taxes, using the money for business and personal expenses instead. The law allows for severe penalties. Fines can be substantial, and prison sentences can be up to 5 years for each count. The government's message is clear. This isn't just a business dispute, it's theft, and you can be prosecuted for it. If any part of this story sounds uncomfortably familiar, or if you're a business owner who has fallen behind on payroll taxes, the single most important thing you can do is get professional help now. Don't wait for the IRS to contact you. Don't let the problem get bigger. The IRS is far more likely to work with you on a civil level if you come forward voluntarily. I understand what you are going through. I'm attorney Chad Silver, founder of Silver Tax Group. Call us now for a free confidential criminal payroll tax consultation at 855-900-1040 or visit silvertaxgroup.com. The cost of professional help today is infinitely smaller than the cost of losing your assets, your business, and your freedom tomorrow.